What's up, you guys? It's Little Red 6.0 here, back here again with another video. If you don't already, make sure you go down and subscribe right now. Next giveaway is at 500 subscribers, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And follow me on Instagram at Little Red 6.0 and on TikTok. I don't really know what we're going to be getting into today, but I think I'm going to put the YouTube decals on my back, my two back doors. So I'm gonna wash her up right now and see if we can go ahead and get those on. Got Little Red right here. She's getting all cleaned up. Got to vacuum her out, and I'll do all this now. And yeah, we'll get her all cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and throw those decals on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get her all cleaned up, and then slap those decals on, and it should look pretty good. And yeah, it's kind of a chill day. Alright, so we got her all vacuumed out. She's looking good. Back's all good. I'm gonna wipe her up here when I get done washing it, but it's all vacuumed out. And when we come back, she'll be clean, so let's get it. Alright, so she's all washed. I'm gonna clean up this back window right here. Get the sticker on right here. Should be pretty good. So let's do it. Alright guys, so there's the driver's side. Peel this off here. See what it looks like. Straight money right there. So there is your driver's side. Then we'll walk around here to the passenger side, and the passenger side's there. It's looking really good. Truck's all cleaned up. About to go take her out for a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm basically making these two videos into one to make a little bit longer video for you guys. But basically, yeah, fast forward, we got the wheels and tires on. Right now we're going to go ahead and throw that tip on. She's already mocked up, painted, decals on her. She went on nice, didn't even mess it up one bit. She went all the way on. We got her on. We're going to go ahead and slap the two clamps up on her real quick. And then I'll give you guys a reveal. Check her out, see how she looks, everything. Basically, we got that 5-inch clamp to put on the inlet of the tip. Then we got that 4-inch clamp to put on the adapter, so we can go ahead and fit it to our 4-inch piping. And then we got our ratchet and socket here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get underneath the truck, slip those two clamps on, get it all snug and tightened down, make sure it's ready to go, roadworthy. And then after that, I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. And it should look pretty sweet. Alright boys, there she is. So we got the adapter on. We got the 4-inch clamp around the pipe in the adapter. And then we got the 5-inch clamp around the tip in the adapter. And let me tell you, I just put a couple of Ugga-Duggas into it and she ain't going nowhere. So that's how she's gonna sit with the 14 wides. Looking pretty good. But I got that decal on there, she's looking hot. 8-inch tip looking pretty good on there. We got the black with the splatter paint red. Looking pretty clean. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so make sure you subscribe to see a bunch more content just like this. I'm always doing new crazy things, so make sure you subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Come back next time, and we'll see you guys later.